Well, this should make a lot of people smile. And who doesn't like to smile? Tomorrow, it's going to be a near carbon copy of today's weather.
We know that George likes to smile. He's outside on the weather deck to show us when rain may interrupt the streak.
There is a chance of rain next couple of days, but you know what? Most people are probably not going to see any. That should put a smile on a lot of people's faces, although we could use some rain because the next several days, in fact, the next 10 to 12 days, we may not see any rain at all if we don't get some. 13 weather ball tonight is still red, a little bit warmer and a little bit more humid weather ahead. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Tonight, mostly clear skies, but then a few clouds, especially to the north later on tonight. But I think we'll just stay partly cloudy here in Grand Rapids. And instead of being in the 50s tonight, we're only going to drop into the low and mid 60s. A little higher humidity coming in as well. A lot of sunshine throughout the day today. We had a few fair weather cumulus clouds, and at times we had a little bit of cirrus that came in from some dissipating showers and thunderstorms. We talked about these last night. They're all falling apart now across Wisconsin. We saw those high clouds, but nonetheless, we might see a scattered shower or a storm both a Wednesday morning and again Wednesday evening as a little bit of a front moves on through. You kind of see where it is right in through here. That front's just going to kind of drift on through very, very slowly over the next 2 days. So chances of rain are not zero, but because there's not a lot of moisture with this front, chances of rain, we're taking it down a notch or two once again. Best chance for any rain will be to the north of Grand Rapids during the morning tomorrow, and then maybe to the south of Grand Rapids on Thursday afternoon. Let's break it down and show you where the best threat for severe weather is going to be. I mentioned this yesterday. We were in a slight risk for severe weather. They've pulled that back to Chicago now. We're barely into a thunderstorm risk rather than even severe weather, so that is good news. But here's that front right in through here. You notice that this evening, most of the showers and storms with it kind of trying to get down into northern lower Michigan by the morning tomorrow. If they do make it, they won't last very long. By afternoon, you're back into the clear, and we're going to stay dry, I believe, in Grand Rapids. As that front just kind of slides on through tomorrow evening, there might be a brief shower to the north of Grand Rapids, and then it quiets down again. And by the time the atmosphere heats up on Thursday, notice where all the showers and thunderstorms are. They're from Grand Rapids southward. So along I-96, we have a very small chance of seeing rain here over the next 2 days or so. And then once that front goes through, very late in the day on Thursday, we're back into the comfortable weather as we get through much of the weekend. And in fact, our overall weather pattern is showing we're not going to see any rain perhaps most of next week as well. In terms of temperatures tomorrow, a few degrees warmer than today, up to around 84 as the ground dries out and warms up out there at the airport, with those showers around perhaps on Thursday, high of only 80, and then around 80 on Friday. And we'll stay right around 80 both Saturday and Sunday. Looking pretty good there. Out of Lake Michigan, very nice conditions, except north of about Whitehall, Pentwater later on tonight. There might be a scattered shower, not much more than that. Waves will be right around 1 to 2 feet. And in terms of rip currents, very low risk, so it should be a great evening to get out and enjoy the beaches, get in the water. Water temperatures today, we're up into the 60s to near 70. So for tonight, maybe a few more clouds rolling in. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a shower right around daybreak up there in Ludington, but overnight lows much warmer than last night, mid to upper 60s. Up north, you can expect low to mid 60s with partly cloudy skies this evening and then mostly cloudy towards daybreak. Grand Rapids southward, we're going to stay mostly clear to partly cloudy. Very comfortable yet. Overnight lows in the low 60s. One more night with the windows open. There's that chance of a shower, especially to the north on Wednesday morning and Wednesday evening, and then again in the afternoon from Grand Rapids south on Thursday. Delightful weekend ahead. Highs are right around 80. 13 on target forecast. Look at next week. Perfect week for Coast Guard Festival with temperatures back up into the mid and maybe even upper 80s as we get toward Friday of next week. It's going to be downright summer without the rain. How about that?
No, not bad at all, Mr. Lessons. Not bad at all.